Daisy Field by Susie Sims Irvin. Daisies wilt a little each day when there's nothing left for them to say. When they have tickled bellies of newborn calves and beckoned lovers along garden paths, hidden in corners behind tall grass, raced up to the highway to feel cars whiz past, preen reflections in the creek, taking sun and rain, bloom past their peak. Then daisies will wilt a little each day when there is nothing for them to say. Theirs is a small life, in a large field they grow. It is the same with daisies and most people that I know.